And it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I got up at 2 o'clock in the morning. I've been at it for 2 hours. And I'm just starting to get that energy boost. Starting to get a feel for it. I don't know if it's because it's the first storm of the year, but the weatherman said we're supposed to get 50 centimeters. But I'm thinking he was really off on that. I think we got probably 20, 25, but the first 5 to 10 centimeters didn't really collect on the ground because the ground wasn't frozen yet. So that could have a lot to do with it, but it's still coming down a little bit, but not as hard. Which will mean it won't take as long to clean it up. We got a lot of the snow within a couple of hours, so it should be a good first storm. Nothing too tricky, so that's good. As you can see, it's starting to get light out, which means people are going to start heading to work. And luckily I got through everybody at least once, so everyone should be able to get out of their driveway. So now we sort of play the waiting game and go through everyone's driveway a second time, clean them up. Because my guess is the plows will be going through again. So it's good. First storm's been alright so far. Give you a little idea of what we're looking at here. So now that the snow has melted off the roads, the plows won't be out anymore. So this is my last trip around all the driveways. And then we call it quits. That's the end of the storm. Park the tractor and wait for the next one. know what happened to the gas prices, but they're about 20 cents cheaper than they were during the summer. Gas is like $1.15 a liter, and it was like over $1.30 during the summer. It's crazy. It's just been going down slowly, and then the other day I saw $1.10 somewhere. It's like, holy smokes. I haven't seen that in like 5 years. So something's going on, clearly. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please let me know. I'll try to make a few other videos like this. And it should be fun. Maybe I'll make a video series and try to keep you guys updated on all the storms we get here in Moncton, New Brunswick. Take care.